After marking the one-year anniversary of the tornado that devastated the town, Winterset residents are continuing their recovery efforts. Local 5's Nora J.S. Reichart tells us what's being done to help the town continue healing.
Just over 1 year ago, Winterset lost 6 residents in an EF4 tornado that struck the town. And even though some like to say that time heals all wounds, those sorts of anniversaries can still dig up some unpleasant feelings.
Strong emotions, those strong memories that we tend to put in those little boxes as we go along. And so sometimes it gets really difficult for people around those times because that box is opened whether we want it or not.
And that's why officials with Crossroads Behavioral Health Services were offering free mental health care during a crisis debrief session held at the Madison County Annex on Monday, allowing community members to continue on their path to recovering from a traumatic event. It's no secret that stigma around mental health issues can be a pretty big obstacle in getting people to seek help for those issues. But providers tell me that those same obstacles can actually be even bigger in rural communities such as Winterset.
It's difficult to break down that ideal that, I can't do this by myself. I can't help myself with this, and so I need help. And sometimes, for some folks, that's seen as tough.
But sometimes offering it to someone else can be too. But COLLIAS says simply reaching out and offering to hear what's on someone's mind can be a great place to start.
One of the best resources we have for getting people help is the people who talk to those who are hurting, right? If you think someone is hurting, if you think someone is struggling, if you think someone is not doing so well, take that time to listen to them.
In Winterset, this is Nora J.S. Reichart for Local 5 News. We are Iowa.
Now, if you or someone you know is in need of help, you can get free, confidential mental health support from Your Life Iowa by calling the number that you see there on your screen. Well, people in Winterset had a long road to recovery. They're still not done with that. Learn how they are rebuilding and remembering those lost by watching our 5-part series, Winterset Recovery, on Roku and Amazon Fire.